Hi, hello. So yeah, we will be learning today S3 versioning. So where previously we have seen how to create S3, and now we are seeing S3 versioning, how to do versioning and how we can recover the deleted file. So basically there are few conditions should be there. Suppose first we are learning how S3 versioning is working actually. What is S3 versioning? So S3 versioning is nothing. There will be a number of copy of files for like if you are updating again and again. So it will be overridden into in the AWS S3. So this is the advantage. If you want the previous data, if you want something which should be you can say if it is if you have before very before if you have anything stored and you want that data, then the data can be recoverable. So basically what is versioning is, suppose this is the text file, okay, a dot text, and here we have written abc, and we have uploaded this file to S3 bucket. Now, if we will change this data ABC to XYZ, suppose any content. So then if we will re-upload this data, then ABC will be not be shown front end, but this version will be created and it will be stored back end. So you cannot see ABC this file a.text ABC content, but you will see the latest. You can say is latest one is XYZ, whatever we have written. Anything it can be. Can be coding and it can be your like specific data, whatever it is. So, what are the steps how we can enable S3 versioning and how we are doing this thing we will be seeing in practically today. So, how like we are going? So we will go to AWS console and we will log in, and then we will the same way we have created the S3 bucket and there we have uploaded some file, right? Till there it is the same process. So you will create bucket, then you can upload the file, and the difference is here is there is option. So you can choose that option enable versioning. If you are not choosing enable versioning, then it will be that versions of these files will be not be stored, like the backup can will be not taken. So we have to enable the versioning, third step. Then we have to change file name and we will re-upload the file, and we'll check if this current file data is reflecting or old one only. But the condition is to, if you are overriding the data, so file name should be same. Whichever you like a dot text we are just uploading, then it should be dot text only. Then only it will be overriding it. So let's see how we are doing. So just check, go to AWS login. I have already logged in, and go to S3 bucket. So yeah, after getting into this, just create one bucket. So you can, so yeah, create bucket. I have not created anything, and you can notice there it is global. The reason is global, and because these buckets name and all no buckets service, these are available at global. So we have to give the name also is specific. Suppose this is, we take bucket test, we will give, okay, 1 2 3, we will just provide any region you can choose, and here you have to choose ACLs enabled. So since we have this disabled before, so we could not see the object details, so we have to enable this, and all that everything is default one. Just uncheck this block all public access, since we need public access, right? So that's why, and acknowledge it and go to last and create bucket. Okay, bucket name contains invalid character. So this is the wrong character we're going, and directly you can put anything. The special characters are not allowed in the bucket name. So yeah, you can see buckets are created. So this is our bucket. In this bucket we will upload one file. First we will create one file, a dot text, go to any file. Okay, so you can go here, just note 2022 is there, no? So just add, this is my first code. Okay, and uh, upload this file, note 2220. Okay, so we'll upload this file. What is the file name? Note, add files, and documents, note 22. Yeah, this one. So just upload it. Permission and all we will see later. So you can see succeeded. This file is uploaded, and you can check the details here. This is the URL, and you can check here. So access denied. So what we need to do? We need to give the permissions. So go to here in this permissions, just edit it. So the edition, save changes, confirm. Okay, objects can be public, and bucket policy you can edit it here. So what are the like the policy you want to give? So that will be given here. So now if you'll check here, it will be, it should. So enable bucket versioning also, they are telling, yeah, we should enable the versioning as well. So still it is showing not enabled. So we'll go back and go to buckets, and in the bucket section you have to give the permission. So if you're giving here permissions, so edit it, and just 1 minute you can give. So what mistake we were doing, we were actually giving the permission here. Actually there is two permission we need to give. First one is bucket, at the bucket level. So bucket level, what we need to do, we need to block all public access, it should be off. Okay, just edit it and uncheck this box. Okay, and do the save changes, and go to this this object is there, no? So you can go here, and here also there is one more permissions, right? So in permissions you can edit it, and you can give this access save changes. So this will be created. So what we are actually explaining, so you can check here. This is the URL. We'll click on this, and this is my first code, it is coming, right? So we are checking the versioning actually. So just enable for this file, we have already enabled the versions. So this is the version, current version it is going on. So version ID is null, it is showing. But if you will upload one more time now, so suppose just go to bucket and upload. with the same file name should be there. Yeah, just upload, and this time we will change the this to here also. This is my second code. Okay, now if you will, where it is that file, node 2020. Yeah, this is the file, same file we are uploading. The name should be same, this file, and just upload it. Yeah, this is uploaded, and you can see we can see only one file, right? Before it was also only one file. There is one bucket. In that bucket there is only one file. Why so? Because we have uploaded twice. This is the same file name, so it will not come like two times, right? So this is what the versioning means. So there also it is showing access denied. Again we have to give the permissions similar way. So give here permissions. Okay, block all publics. Okay, go here and give their permission. So each and every time we need to give the permission. Then only you can access it. Just read permission only we are giving. I understand shape changes, and now you can see this is my second code. Updated data it is coming, right? So this is what the versioning means. And one more thing I will show you. Go to our FTech and there you can see versioning. So versions. See, this is the button we are searching for. So versions. So if you click on this, it will show two files. What is this file about, and why this file? What is this file about? So this file is our old data. Now you can see. See, this is my first code only, and the latest file is this one. So each time if we'll upload the same file, now the each like one version id will be given. This version id is there, no? So it will be given and it will be stored as well. So if you will not show the version, the current latest file will be shown here. So if you have deleted also the object, suppose this object I am going to delete. Okay, and one more thing, if you are here versioning, you can delete this file, the previous one. Okay, but current version you cannot delete. Okay, so uh, what I will do, I'll just delete uh, the current file which is uploaded. Then I will recover it. I'll try to recover it. Then let's see how it is how deleted file can be recovered. So it is very useful in the organization purpose. So if something deleted by mistake or some important data, it's the if version is enabled, you can tell ki we can recover it, right? So you can now you can see nothing, but if you click on show versions, it will be showing here delete marker. So this is what I explained, right? How to recover a deleted file or content or object. So go to show versioning and delete the file which is tagged as delete marker. So what here is confusion. The the file which we have deleted, no, it will be marked as delete marker. Delete marker as in it has marked as deleted. Okay. So this if you will delete, no, then only the original file will it will show in the where it will show in the bucket. So just permanently delete, copy it from here, and delete marker should be deleted to recover the file. This is the concept actually. So now if you go to this S3 bucket, see this file came, right? Before it was not there. So this is what the S3 versioning. So that's all. Thank you.